Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more financial insights. Choosing between JPMorgan Chase and Fifth Third Bank involves deciding between a national banking giant and a strong regional contender. JPMorgan Chase, a dominant force in the U.S. financial landscape, boasts a comprehensive range of services. From checking and savings accounts to mortgages, credit cards, small business loans, and wealth management solutions, Chase offers a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. Its vast network of ATMs, user-friendly digital platform, and commitment to innovation make it a popular choice for customers prioritizing convenience and a single institution for managing their finances. Chase's impressive credit card portfolio, offering attractive rewards and travel perks tailored to diverse consumer preferences, further strengthens its appeal. Businesses, from startups to established corporations, benefit from Chase's robust lending options, merchant services, and sophisticated treasury management tools. Fifth Third Bank, in contrast, is a regional institution primarily serving the Midwest and Southeast. While lacking Chase's national scale, Fifth Third emphasizes personalized service and strong community connections. It provides a full spectrum of financial products, including checking and savings accounts, home loans, personal loans, and credit cards. Fifth Third's business banking services are particularly well-suited to small and medium-sized enterprises that appreciate a local focus and the potential for more personalized relationships with their bankers. Although Fifth Third's digital platform has evolved, offering features such as mobile check deposit and budgeting tools, it may not match the breadth and depth of Chase's digital offerings. However, Fifth Third often provides a variety of account options with competitive fees and accessible ways to waive them, making it attractive for customers seeking affordability and simplicity. When it comes to accessibility, Chase's nationwide presence clearly surpasses Fifth Third's more limited geographic reach. This makes Chase a better option for frequent travelers or individuals who relocate often. Conversely, if you live within Fifth Third's core service area and prioritize a community-focused banking experience, Fifth Third might be the more suitable choice. In summary, if your priorities include a vast national network, a comprehensive credit card lineup, and cutting-edge digital tools, JPMorgan Chase is likely the better fit. However, if you value a more localized, relationship-oriented banking experience with potentially simpler fee structures, Fifth Third could be the right choice. Carefully consider your individual needs and weigh these factors before making a decision.